Folks, today we're diving deep into how teams can actually manage their entire work lifecycle in one place, from the first idea all the way to the final result, without jumping between a dozen different tools. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'll walk you through exactly how this works in practice. You'll see how AI helps you generate ideas and turn them into clear documentation. You'll also see how it supports planning and keeps team knowledge organized in one place. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get right in. Mates, this situation happens in almost every growing company. Your team starts with a few people who can easily share information through quick messages or short meetings. Everything feels connected and simple, but as more people join, that clarity disappears fast. Important decisions get buried in chat threads that nobody can find later. Product specifications live in one person's laptop, while the rest of the team guesses what was actually decided. Engineers wait for answers because the documentation sits incomplete somewhere. Designers create specs based on outdated requirements they found in an old email chain. Friends, the real cost isn't just wasted time searching for files. Teams start duplicating work because they don't know someone already solved that problem 3 months ago. New employees spend weeks asking basic questions that should have already been shared with them. This is exactly where Confluence from Atlassian becomes essential. It brings the whole team into one workspace, where work stays connected from the first idea to the final result. Every stage happens within a single ecosystem, with built-in AI support that keeps information organized without constant manual work. Alright guys, let's explore the platform and see how everything works in practice. Every project starts with an idea, and Confluence makes this stage simple with Rovo AI. I click Create with Rovo and ask it to generate a product requirements document for a mobile task management app. The system suggests improvements to my prompt. I select the first option and hit Send. Within seconds, the draft appears as a complete document with a clean structure. It comes packed with the key planning pieces from the start. You get a clear overview and goals, plus solid sections that define what the product is meant to do. It also includes the supporting context, so progress and ownership stay clear without extra back and forth. Folks, the action bar lets you check spelling and grammar instantly. You can rewrite text for style, adjust the tone, or polish sections that feel rough. Once everything looks right, I add it to my workspace as a live doc. This means several team members can work together in real time. You write requirements while a colleague adds comments, and your product manager adjusts metrics. All changes appear instantly for everyone. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Right from this document, I can ask Rovo to draft actionable Jira work items, which I can approve and commit to Jira immediately. I can also use the same assistant to find documents related to mobile app development in our workspace. It searches across the Atlassian ecosystem and surfaces relevant content fast. Friends, beyond documents, Confluence offers whiteboards for visual collaboration. Teams can brainstorm and map ideas on an infinite canvas, and that work stays connected to the project. The platform also includes databases for organizing knowledge across teams. You get a personalized feed, and information stays easy to follow as more content builds up. Confluence integrates with apps and platforms from the Atlassian marketplace. You can connect tools your team already uses, so context does not get split across places. It maintains an open by default approach that helps break down silos. People can find what they need, while security controls protect sensitive content. Mates, Confluence is trusted by organizations like Tesla, Amazon, NASA, and NVIDIA, along with 72% of Fortune 500 companies. Teams report saving at least 4 hours per week from less repetitive work and reduced context switching. Guys, the platform is free for teams under 10 people, with transparent pricing that scales as your team grows. Okay folks, let's wrap it up. What stands out here is how Confluence keeps the entire work lifecycle connected, from early ideas to real execution, without breaking context. With AI built into the flow, teams spend less time moving information around, and more time actually moving projects forward. Planning, collaboration, and delivery stay in sync as the work grows. If your team struggles with scattered decisions and disconnected tools, this approach is worth a closer look. Try Confluence once and see how much smoother the flow becomes. Guys, how does your team handle the jump from ideas to execution today? I'm curious to read your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.